everybody, so I'm just here with a quick product review video of, I guess it's Reazeal or Reazeal, I don't know, y'all figure it out. But I got the Pro Starter Kit, and I also purchased their, what is it, the 12 acrylic powders that they came in. Okay, so this is a 4.5 fluid ounce bottle. Boom, boom. Yeah, I'm trying to get better at these voiceovers. This is taking too long. Oh my gosh. But in the kit, of course, it came with that 4-ounce bottle, and of course your standard clear, pink, and white powders. As soon as I flip them, okay, there we go, and they're upside down. Here we go. I got it together. Bam, bam. And here are the 10 grams of your colored acrylic. I will say these colors were very beautiful in the end. And of course, I'm going to swatch them all. And I will say this, that the consistency of this product was surprisingly very good. It was not runny. And throughout the video, you will see that I'm going to leave actually a live, well, not a live, but an unslowed down version of me applying some of the acrylic powder, since I did not do it for these 3 colors here. I just wanted to hurry up and, you know, try to put the colors down, because I'm not gonna lie, sis was hungry doing this video, okay? So I was like, let me hurry up and do this. And I know people's attention spans aren't that long, so I didn't want to be all day with this joint. But there I am applying the clear. Nothing really special. And this pink was actually very light, but it was still pretty. Oh my goodness. And it was very smooth to apply. But yeah, I think I'm going to stop talking and just let you guys see the rest of the video. Oh, y'all saw that nail? My thumb looking a little nasty. Of course. Oh, wait a minute. So I decided to put it on the outside because I really wanted to know how this stuff applies. So as you can see right here, yeah, it was very smooth and easy to work with. I was like, I like it. But I'm gonna shut up and let you guys watch the video. Okay, so I know I was going to be quiet, but I had to say something about this red. Y'all, this thing was gorgeous. Look how vibrant it is. Oh my goodness gracious. Woo, that thing was sexy. I'm telling you, that was a sexy red. So I realized I swatched one color twice. I'm sorry about that. There are actually 12 colors that come with the color acrylic kit. But thank you guys for watching and sticking around, and you guys stay safe.